What is up, guys? Paul James here. Today we're talking about how to make money with AI. Specifically, I want to show you how to use ChatGPT to earn $500 per day. Now, this is going to be a really straightforward tutorial, and if you want more videos like this, let me know by commenting yes, because that helps me know that you like this kind of style of video, and I'll keep making more of them. Also, a lot of you have been asking where I've been. I'm mostly over on my Instagram these days, so if you're not following me there, go to Hello Paul James, give me a follow, and start watching my content there too, because there's a lot of interesting things to share there as well. All right, let's dive into it. Now, I also want to note that I do have a full course on this stuff, because what I'm going to share with you is really just one component of many of using AI to earn money. But if you want, I'm going to leave a link below to my passive AI money machines course, where you can go and learn even more about how this stuff all works. With that being said, let's dive in and get started. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be building a lead generation website, and we're going to be ranking it on the first page of Google for various keywords. And we're going to be using AI to help automate most of the heavy lifting of this, specifically ChatGPT. Now, this all starts with niche selection, and don't worry if you're a beginner at this stuff, it doesn't matter, because AI is going to do all the heavy lifting for you, which means you can pretty much get started with any experience level. You can make the decision after watching this video if you think this is something you can do, but I think that you'll be able to do this. If you're capable of watching things like YouTube videos, you could probably do this. All right, so step one is we're going to pick a niche. I like to use the website Home Advisor to help me find niches, because they tell you all the best categories. They're one of the biggest lead generators out there, so why reinvent the wheel? So go in here and pick something out that you think is going to be a niche you want to work in. So for example, you might decide you want to work in the roofing niche. Boom, go in there, pick out a niche that you want to work in. So once you've decided that, you need to decide on a location. Now, this is key, because if you pick big locations like this city, Milwaukee right here, it's big, it's bold on the map, probably going to be a lot of competition, which means you're probably going to have to do a lot more than just, things that ChatGPT can do. I'm talking things like building backlinks and stuff like that. Just stuff you're probably not going to feel like doing. So do yourself a favor and go for the smaller suburbs like Wauwatosa, Elm Grove, West Allis, West Milwaukee, Cudahy. These are going to be easier niches to target, easier locations where you're not competing. So if you're not from the United States, or you want to do this in the United States and you're in a different country, you can just look at a map like I'm doing here and just use that to pick something out. You can also target things in your own country. You don't have to be restricted to just the United States, but since I live in the United States, it's just easy for me to reference. Okay, so now that we've decided on a niche, we can assume that a roofer is going to want to advertise things like roof replacements, right? Which means that we're going to have to write an article that's going to rank for roof replacement. The best way to do that is to utilize ChatGPT. And what you're going to want to do is go over to Google, type in roof replacement, and this people also ask section is going to pop up. I want you to go ahead and I want you to copy these. So just go ahead, right click, copy them. This is going to be gold, because this is telling us exactly what Google wants us to answer for the searcher. And if we can incorporate these elements into our article, that's going to ensure that our lead generation site is going to actually rank on the first page. So what I like to do is I like to take this information, go inside of ChatGPT and say something like, Chat, today I want you to write an informative article that is 500 words that convinces people they should reach out to us for a quote on a roof replacement. I would like you to include these topics in the article. And then I'm going to paste in that people also ask section. And just like that, you can see it gets to work on creating a really good article, transforming your home, why you should reach out for a quote on roof replacement. And it's got all the details of everything we went and included, and these can be our header tags on the website so that it's perfectly optimized for exactly what people are searching for on Google. And you can see I did that all with, basically typing in a sentence and a click of a button, which is kind of crazy how quickly we're going to be able to rank a website using ChatGPT. Okay, now once we have our optimized article, I like to use a WordPress website builder because it's free, but there's lots of other website builders out there. I have some videos that I've made on AI website builders that you can check out as well. But I've been using this one, which is Elementor, and it's basically a free plugin that you can use to plug into WordPress. And this is a kind of website templates that it has built in. They look pretty good. And basically it allows you to just go in, and I'll show you what it looks like. If I click edit with Elementor, I can pull open a page here. I can very easily come in here and change anything around just by typing on the keyboard or dragging things around where I want it to go. So it's very drag and drop. So I then would go and take that article that ChatGPT made for me, and I would paste it into WordPress with Elementor. Now the cool part is that if you don't have like a logo for your website, you can also use ChatGPT to design a logo. Like we could call this Wauwatosa Roofing Pros. So you can see here by that input, it's asking what type of logo I would want it to be. I'm gonna put 5 for complexity. I'm gonna do E and let them pick the color scheme, and we'll just do one single logo because I'm not that picky right now. Okay, so it's creating the logo. We'll see what it comes out with. Looks like there are some typos in it, so we would need to fix that. That's kind of one of the downsides of using ChatGPT to do logos or thumbnails. Like whenever you get into the lettering, sometimes it messes it up, so you might need to play around with it or try and correct it. But as a start, it's a pretty great start. Okay, so to give you a quick recap, step 1, we're gonna go to Home Advisor, we're gonna pick a niche, preferably something in the skilled trades. Step 2 is we're gonna pick a location, preferably not a huge city so that we don't have a lot of competition. Step 3, we're gonna have ChatGPT write an article for us that's already optimized, giving it the commands that I showed you in this video. Step 4, we're gonna post that article onto our own WordPress blog. Step 5, we're gonna wait for it to rank in Google, and we're either gonna take the leads and sell them. For something like roofing and any other skilled trade, you're looking at somewhere in the realm of $50 per lead. That doesn't mean they have to land the job. That just means you send them over the lead that came in from the website, or you can sell the whole website to like a roofer in the area. And if you need more help with this, I have a special going on right now on my full course. The link is in the description of this video. Go check it out if you need more help and you want to learn more about using AI to build websites and rank them in Google. Until next time, guys, I am Paul James. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment and let me know what you thought. Peace out.